Hard to believe, but it's been nearly 2 years to the day since COVID-19 made its way into the natural state. On March 11, 2020, Arkansas reported its first positive case, and work at hospitals began. Jessica Rank joins us live from one of those hospitals, UAMS. And Jessica, the hospital certainly has come a long way in the last 2 years.
Yeah, Laura, I got the chance to walk around the ICU today here at UAMS with a nurse who's been here since the beginning. And the good news is numbers here are looking good, but staff says they're never going to forget that day in March. Inside UAMS doors, Elizabeth Sullivan walks the halls of the ICU.
We've actually seen just such a drastic drop. It's really been great.
Today, 6 patients battle COVID-19. Sullivan says it's the light at the end of a long journey.
There was so much unknown.
Rewind to March 11th, 2020.
We're calling it presumptive positive until we have confirmation from the CDC lab.
The state's first COVID-19 case.
We were obviously very concerned, not knowing how many patients, not knowing if we would be having the same degree of inundation of the healthcare system that was being seen in other parts of the world.
Questions circulated with very few answers, and UAMS did their best to respond as cases ticked up.
We built all this excess capacity. We built surge beds. We changed our staffing models.
A first surge and a second, but UAMS says by the third,
It was pure exhaustion. It was almost a feeling of defeat.
Omicron brought hospital numbers up into the triple digits at UAMS, and fatigue started to set in.
You know, one of those things where you come in every single day and you do everything you possibly can for your patient, and sometimes it's just not enough.
Nurses took a hit, but the ones that stuck around banded together.
We had walkie-talkies, baby monitors, everything we needed to care for those patients.
A duty to their coworkers and those in beds, all leading up to this moment.
You would have never been able to walk through this unit for sure.
A once busy floor now sits quiet.
I think that everybody here rose to the challenge, and they really have come out victorious.
Now, staff here says looking back on the last 2 years, it proves just how resilient the healthcare system is. And they say that should there be another surge, people here at UAMS are ready for it. Live in Little Rock, I'm Jessica Rank for KARK 4 News.